Awning Windows Miami Beach is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. Miami Beach window services offer a wide range of options, including energy-efficient awning windows and custom awning windows tailored to your specific needs. Awning window installation. Miami Beach ensures that your windows are not only stylish but also provide excellent ventilation and natural light. For those seeking awning windows, Miami Beach awning window replacement services are available to address any issues promptly. Whether it's a minor fix or a major overhaul, awning window replacement ensures that your windows remain in top condition. Awning window maintenance. Miami Beach is essential for prolonging the lifespan of your windows and maintaining their performance. Energy-efficient awning windows. Miami Beach are a popular choice for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Awning window upgrades. Miami Beach can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Custom awning windows. Miami Beach offer a personalized touch to your home. With a variety of awning window styles, Miami Beach, you can choose the perfect design to complement your home's architecture. Awning window design. Miami Beach allows for creativity and customization, ensuring that your windows are a perfect fit for your home. Storm-resistant awning windows. Miami Beach are essential for protecting your home from harsh weather conditions. These windows are built to withstand strong winds and heavy rain, providing peace of mind during stormy seasons. Awning window solutions. Miami Beach include a range of storm-resistant options to keep your home safe. Aluminum awning windows. Miami Beach and vinyl awning windows. Miami Beach are popular materials for their durability and low maintenance. Awning window materials. Miami Beach offer a variety of choices to suit your preferences and budget. Awning window brands. Miami Beach provide high-quality products that ensure long-lasting performance. Awning windows. Miami Beach contractors are experienced professionals who can handle all aspects of window installation and replacement. Awning window experts. Miami Beach offer consultations to help you choose the best awning windows Miami Beach for your home. Awning window consultations. Miami Beach provide valuable insights and recommendations. Awning window prices. Miami Beach vary depending on the style, material, and features you choose. Awning window quotes. Miami Beach can help you budget for your window project and find the best deals. Awning window options. Miami Beach include a wide range of features and benefits to enhance your home's value and comfort. Awning window features. Miami Beach include easy operation, excellent ventilation, and enhanced security. Awning window benefits. Miami Beach extend beyond aesthetics, offering practical advantages for homeowners. Best awning windows. Miami Beach combines style, functionality, and durability for a superior window solution.